Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by collecting a wide glass jar and a metal lid for the experiment. Pour 1/2 cup boiling water into the jar to create warm, moist air. Secure the metal lid on top and load about 3.5 inches of crushed ice into the lid to chill the top surface. Work on a stable table and keep safety gloves nearby for the hot water. Position a small can of hairspray within arm's reach for the next step. Ensure a clear workspace and good ventilation before continuing. When ready, remove the iced lid briefly and aim the hairspray into the jar. Release one short burst of hairspray to introduce tiny condensation nuclei into the air. Immediately replace the lid with the crushed ice, still in it, to cool the rising moist air quickly. The cool lid lowers the air temperature and causes water vapor to condense on the nuclei. Within seconds, you will see a small, foggy cloud form inside the jar. Observe how density and brightness change as the cloud develops. Experiment with variations, like using steam from a kettle instead of boiling water. You can also try a small match ember briefly introduced as alternative nuclei, but only with adult supervision. Always avoid breathing hairspray directly and work in a well-ventilated area for safety. Use heat-resistant gloves when handling boiling water and crushed ice to prevent burns. This simple demonstration shows condensation physics and cloud formation from water vapor and nuclei. Clean all materials and dispose of spray responsibly after the activity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.